I'm Riel, your friendly Al Forno Italiano assistant.
That voice you just heard, not a real person. That is an AI voice agent that we built. These agents are already handling real conversations with customers. So in this video, I will show you 3 voice agents that do exactly that. Just like you, I used to think voice AI agents were a bit clunky, a bit gimmicky, until I tried VoiceFlow's telephony features. And I've tried pretty much every voice AI tool that there is out on the market. And VoiceFlow's telephony features is out of this world. Now, VoiceFlow's telephony features are definitely still in beta, but we are already using it to build voice AI agents for real businesses, and the results are ridiculous. The fact of the matter is that VoiceFlow gave me the confidence to introduce something so risky to trusting clients of mine, and it's definitely paid off. This might be the one thing that your business is missing right now. And so let's go ahead and break down exactly what you need to build one of these voice AI agents. Firstly, you need a VoiceFlow account. Secondly, you need a Twilio number. And what's great about Twilio is that you pay as you go. And so Twilio will only be charging you depending on how much you use it. And lastly, the magic spice, some human creativity. Now, I'm not going to exactly break down how we built these voice agents on VoiceFlow, because if I did, we'd be here for about 45 minutes. I would need a whiteboard and a couple monsters to get through the whole video.
Take a look at this. Jesus Christ, that right there is the...
But seriously, if you do want a deeper dive into VoiceFlow and how to build these agents on VoiceFlow, just drop a comment or message us directly, and we can either show you how to build it or we can build it for you, completely tailored for your business. All right, so this first one is going to be a voice agent for restaurants, and they should be calling any minute now. All right, so let's go ahead and pick it up.
Ciao, I'm Riel, your friendly Al Forno Italiano assistant. I'm here to help you book a table, place a delivery or takeaway order, and answer any questions about our restaurant.
Alrighty, could I ask, what are the best dishes at your restaurant?
If you're looking for recommendations, you might enjoy exploring our menu highlights like wood-fired pizzas, handmade pastas, or signature Italian desserts. Could you let me know if you're in the mood for something specific?
All right, perfect. Could I also order some takeaway?
Just to confirm, you'd like to order takeaway with Al Forno Italiano?
That's right, that's right.
Delizioso. Let me take your order. What would you like to enjoy today?
Could I have a margarita pizza with some tiramisu on the side?
Perfetto. Let me repeat your order back to you to make sure I've got everything just right. I have your order as 1 margarita pizza with some tiramisu on the side. Would you like to make any changes before we confirm?
That's perfect, that's perfect.
Buonissimo. Will that be for delivery or takeout?
Let's do takeout. Could I also reserve a table for Sunday?
Buonissimo. We'd love to set up a reservation for you. When would you like to book a table and for how many guests?
Let's do a table for Monday at 7 p.m. for 4 people.
Ciao. I see you'd like to book a table for 4 people on Monday at 7 p.m. Let me check for you. We have a wonderful table available for you at that time. Would you like me to go ahead and confirm this booking for you?
Alrighty, so there you go. Again, it definitely makes sure that it's checking with you and making sure that it's getting in all the information correctly. You might have also noticed it does have a little bit of a personality as well, depending on where or what the business is, right? So for this case, it was an Italian restaurant, so it did have a little bit of that quirky Italian phrases slipped in. Yeah, that was quite interesting. All right, so this next voice AI agent that is about to call me is going to be helping us with capturing information from leads and making sure that we're not forgetting to ask for any information. What would happen a lot in the business that this is currently working in is that the team would have to go through a lot of back and forth with leads, and sometimes the leads would also not be able to provide the right information. So this AI agent completely handles all that. So let's go ahead and get it to call me. Ta-da.
Hey there. Welcome to... How would you like us to help you?
All right, I did have a question about whether or not you guys do speaker installations. Do you guys do those?
Yes, we do. For speaker installation services, including pre-wired 5, 1, and 7.1 speaker setups starting at $3,500. Would you like more details about these packages or other options?
No, that's all right. Could you also give me any information on TVs that you have in your inventory in the Sony brand?
Sure, for Sony TVs, we have the 75-inch X90L for $1,699. The 77-inch A80L OLED at $2,299. Want more details on any of these?
No, that's good. So, could I book in a service with you guys?
All right, let's book you in. Could you share your zip code so we may confirm if we service your area?
Let's do 77005.
Great. It looks like we service your area. Let's proceed. Please provide us with a full name to address you by.
Sure. My name is John Hopkins.
Fantastic, John. Now, could you give me some details about the job? TV preferences, relevant details about the room and such. The more details, the better, as it helps us come up with a plan of action.
Sure. So I have a very large room that I want to transform into a theater room, and I want to have a projector and also a surround sound system.
All right then, John. The next step is for you to provide with pictures and videos relevant to the job you are requesting. Please take the time to upload relevant files to the Google Drive folder we just emailed you. I will stay on the line. Please let me know once your uploads are complete. Alternatively, if you wish to complete this step at a later time, you may end this call now.
All right, so there you go. Again, there were definitely times that I wasn't, saying the right things maybe, or I sounded a little unnatural, but the agent was still able to understand my intent, understand what I'm talking about, and what I really need from the agent. And yeah, it all worked out pretty well. And so this next AI agent that's about to call us is actually my own AI agent for Meridian. It's called Meredith, sweet person. And basically what I want to exhibit over here is the fact that your AI agents can be trained on a buttload of information about your business. You only need to teach it once, and then once it is completely trained on every different aspect of your business, it can take care of all those aspects, answering questions, taking care of leads. And again, because of how powerful VoiceFlow is, you can even integrate some functions into it to have it take care of some of the back-end business operations that you may have. Anyways, let's get her to call us and see how this goes.
Hi there. I am Meredith, Meridian's AI assistant.
All right, so I do have a couple questions that I do need on answering because I'm interested in working with Meridian. What is it like working with Meridian?
Meridian's culture is all about empowering businesses with AI while keeping things simple and accessible.
Could you tell me a little bit about the different services that Meridian provides?
Meridian's all about simplifying business with AI. We automate tasks, build custom AI-powered web apps, and create chat agents to enhance customer interaction. Want to explore any of these in detail?
And now voice agents as well, because of how amazing VoiceFlow telephony is. Could you tell me how expensive it is, how pricing packages work in Meridian?
Great question. Meridian offers flexible pricing. You can choose a one-time payment for full ownership, a monthly subscription, or custom plans based on your needs. Want more details on any of these options?
Okay, so I want to put in some AI features, AI systems into my automobile company. Can I do that?
AI in an automobile company? That's exciting. Meridian offers automation for tasks like scheduling and customer communication, AI-powered apps for data insights, and chat agents to enhance customer service. Want to explore any of these further?
Yeah, could you tell me a little bit about how I can use an AI-powered app to get some data insights?
AI-powered apps are fantastic for business insights. They analyze data, manage inventory, and offer real-time dashboards. For an automobile company, they could optimize supply chains or track sales trends. Want to explore this further?
No, you've done a great job. Thank you so much. I mean, need I say more? I don't want to sound a little too cocky, but AI, again, it's here. The tech is already here. It's really just about how you use it to supercharge your own professional activities. Again, isn't the future anymore. It's here and you gotta use it now. And so there you go. A lot of people used to think that voice AI agents would sound a little clunky or robotic, or may even break depending on how complex your workflows are. But the truth is, if you build it right, it will work right. This is where human creativity matters. The tech is already here, but how you shape it to make it work exactly the way that you need it to work is completely up to you, and the amount of creativity that you pour into it. At this point, Meridian has built a bunch of different voice agents for a bunch of different businesses just like yours. We've helped businesses handle bookings, qualify leads, answer any general inquiries, help with product recommendation. Really, any kind of agent that you can think of can be made at this point. And again, if you need agents just like this, reach out and we'll build one for you, end to end. My laptop just fell. And maybe you even want to learn how to make these agents yourself. Reach out and we can help you with that kind of stuff as well. Either way, you cannot be sleeping on this. AI tools, AI agents, it isn't the future anymore. This tech is already here and people are using it to supercharge their businesses already. So if you want your business to always stay on, always be ready, you know where to find me. All right, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. I couldn't reach.